Welcome to the beautiful island of Sri Lanka, a land of breathtaking landscapes, vibrant culture, and endless smiles. Every year, thousands of travelers arrive here seeking a perfect mix of nature, history, and relaxation. As they step off the plane, they're greeted by the warm, tropical air, lush green mountains in the distance, and the friendly spirit that makes Sri Lanka truly special. From golden beaches to misty hills, every corner tells a story, but one destination stands out among the rest. Bluefield Tea Gardens, nestled in the heart of the hill country, between Nuwara Eliya and Kandy, this is where the magic of Ceylon tea truly begins. Visitors from around the world travel along scenic mountain roads, winding through valleys blanketed with emerald green tea bushes. And as they arrive at Bluefield, they step into a world where tradition meets nature. It's not just a visit, it's a journey through history, culture, and taste. At Bluefield, travelers also enjoy a warm cup of our signature teas while taking in panoramic views of mist-covered hills. Some choose to walk through the plantation trails. Others relax at the cafe, capturing memories that last a lifetime. And of course, before they leave, most visitors take home a little piece of Bluefield, a packet of tea that reminds them of Sri Lanka's charm long after their trip ends. So whether it's your first time in Sri Lanka or you've fallen in love with this island before, make sure Bluefield Tea Gardens is on your list, because here, every sip tells a story and every visit feels like coming home. Bluefield Tea Gardens, where Ceylon's finest tea meets unforgettable experiences. They remember the peaceful mornings surrounded by tea fields, the aroma of freshly brewed Ceylon tea, and the laughter shared with new friends. Each photograph, each cup of tea they take home carries the warmth of this place. At the airport, as they prepare to fly back, there's always that quiet moment of reflection, a gentle smile, a final sip, and a promise to return. Because Sri Lanka, with its beauty and kindness, always finds a way to stay in the heart. And wherever they go, one thing remains the same: the story of Bluefield travels with them.